sa studio niya. It also happened on set. May mga rest days po kami pero kailangan pa rin mag-training sa mga araw na yun. And I think more than anything, it was really, ang pinaka-importante para sa amin was to mentally and physically prepare ourselves for this whole challenge, which was Roja.
So aside from the martial arts, yung jiu-jitsu na training, tsaka arnis, or yung holding of a gun and how to fire it, one of the most challenging things for me was really the endurance. And being sure that I was ready to go through those scenes over and over again. Kasi ilang takes yan, ilang angulo. First time ko gawin din to eh. I think Kyle has some action scenes already na shoot niya before. Pero ako kasi first time ko talaga na gumawa ng serye na yun talaga yung focus. So I really had to make sure na my body was prepared, and it really took a lot. Kasi hindi biro yung minsan makakall ka tapos di mo alam ganun pala kalaki yung action scene. So you really have to make sure that you're not running out of breath and you're ready for the next scene. Tsaka yun, kasi katulad ng sinabi ni Direk, si Direk Raymond kanina na palaging tension yung hinahanap.
And prone to injury.
Prone to injury. Marami rin kaming naging maliliit na battle scars dito in a good way. Kasi part talaga ng characters namin.
Yeah, just for the audience.